Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Let's get straight into it. First, it's helpful to set up your list items beforehand. Type the items you want in your drop-down into cells on a worksheet. Make sure there are no blank cells between entries. You'll see a vertical or horizontal list in the cells. For the best results, convert this range to a table by selecting any cell in the range and pressing Ctrl+T. This way, when you add or remove items later, any drop-downs based on that table will update automatically. Next, select the cell where you want the drop-down to appear. Click on that cell, or drag to select multiple cells if you want the drop-down in several places. The selected cells will be highlighted. Now, click on the Data tab in the ribbon. In the Data Tools group, you'll see the Data Validation button. Click it. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Alt+A, then V again. The Data Validation dialog box appears with 3 tabs at the top: Settings, Input Message, and Error Alert. On the Settings tab, click the Allow drop-down box and select List from the options. Once you do that, you'll see a source field appear below. Click in the Source box, then click and drag to select the range of cells containing your list items. The source box will show a reference like equals sheet 1, exclamation, $A, $2, $A, $5. Make sure the in-cell drop-down checkbox is ticked. It should be by default. Finally, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog. The dialog closes, and when you select the cell, a small arrow appears next to it. Click that arrow and you'll see your drop-down list. To test it, click the cell and choose an item from the list. If you want to copy the drop-down to other cells, select the cell with the drop-down and press Ctrl+C, then select another cell and press Ctrl+V. Also, check that your column width is wide enough to show all the entries clearly. If your list source is on a separate sheet and you don't want users seeing it, you can right-click the Sheet tab and click Hide. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.